Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You need an Azure subscription and a workspace. Start now. Once signed in, use Azure CLI to verify permissions so you won't be blocked later. Open Azure Studio and attach your repository immediately. This links source, compute, and settings in one place. Make sure resource names follow your naming convention. It saves time. Then create your first project skeleton, set the runtime, and confirm compute availability before moving on to configuration. Now configure compute and environment so code runs reproducibly. Select a VM size and attach GPU if your workload demands performance. Once chosen, provision it and add auto-scale rules. Next, define your environment with Conda or a Docker file and store secrets securely. Then create a CI/CD pipeline to build and deploy automatically. Run a test job to validate. Use Studio's logs and metrics to trace failures, and tweak resources or dependencies as required. Finish by validating outputs and registering artifacts so deployments are reproducible. Deploy to a staging endpoint first, verify latency and correctness, then promote to production when satisfied. Make sure monitoring is active and set cost alerts to avoid surprises. If something breaks, check environment mismatches and missing secrets first. Those cause most failures. Also confirm permission scopes for the service principal. If issues persist, redeploy a smaller test job and compare logs step by step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.